In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin an element to the screen on Wix. Whether you're working on a website redesign or just want to make sure something important stays in view as visitors scroll, pinning elements can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account and head over to the Wix website editor for the site you want to edit. If you're already signed in, you can easily access this by clicking on My Sites at the top of the Wix homepage and selecting the site you'd like to work on. Once you're in the editor, you'll see your web page layout. You can now begin to select the specific element you'd like to pin. Next, it's time to identify the element you want to fix in place. For this example, let's consider pinning an image. Find the image or any other component you intend to pin and go ahead and right-click on it. This right-click is essential as it will bring up additional options specific to that element. From the menu that appears, look for and click on the option labelled Pin to Screen. This feature is what we'll use to secure the element, ensuring that it remains in a fixed position as users navigate through your site. It's a straightforward procedure, so just click once and you should see it activate. Now that you have the element pinned, you might notice that its initial position isn't exactly where you want it. This is where you can make some fine-tuning adjustments. You can modify the horizontal offset in pixels. This adjustment will move the element left or right on the screen, allowing for better placement if, for instance, it's obscuring important content or overlapping with other elements on the page. Similarly, you can tailor the vertical offset. This lets you move the element up or down on the screen. Adjusting the vertical position is particularly useful if you want to ensure that your pinned element stays at a comfortable distance from the top or bottom of the page. Don't be afraid to experiment a little here. Small tweaks can often make a big difference in how clean or professional your site looks. Once you've made all necessary adjustments, take a moment to preview your changes. You can do this by selecting the preview option in the Wix editor. Check how the pinned element behaves when you scroll through your site, ensuring it appears just where you want it on various pages and screen sizes. Testing your site's functionality is crucial to ensuring an optimal visitor experience. And that's it. You've successfully pinned an element to the screen on Wix. With this newfound capability, you can make essential items prominent and ensure important content stays accessible. Hopefully you found this tutorial straightforward and informative. Thanks for watching and enjoy customizing your Wix site.